Come in, UP helpers! Come in, UP helpers! UP helpers, get off your train! Helpers, get off your train! You got a train coming your way! 576 left! Are you the one that is an emergency? Over. Yes, we are! What is your speed now? Over. 40, no, 45!
We're coming on out.
Let us get some speed. Let's go! Helpers, come out with power. Get to going.
Sir, we won't be able to get out of the way in time.
Then get off those engines now!
What now? They're not moving! Galileo! Galileo! Oh, the UV helpers will be okay.
Coal train helpers, get off the power! Get off the power! Coal train is in emergency at Cajon! Person as soon as it can. They just hit the rear end of this train. This is the head end of 9450, and we can see a ball of fire. Get some emergency personnel out here.